Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with a clip taken from a long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. I'm leaving the option for my services at 50% off for the first year open, and I'll be providing further details after the clip ends. So if you're interested, please stay on. I'll be talking to you again at the end of the clip. I would like you also to read carefully the disclaimer that I'm going to put up now, so that it is clear to you before you go ahead and watch the video. This is just a standard thing. Okay, that's the gold and silver, the Philadelphia gold and silver sector index. That's XAU, yes, daily. As I've been telling you repeatedly now in the last few videos, that we have a clean run above the inverse head and shoulders neckline right here, and technically what it's doing is just a classical event, if you like. It's just coming back to check the breakout point, which is around here. Okay, so the wave count is still bullish. There is no technical reason to abandon the bulls. We have seen a comeback to within the 50% retracement of what I consider to be a third wave. So fine, that looks okay. Of course, what's going on in the commodity, in the commodities themselves is a bit different. But as far as this, yes, as this structure is concerned, this is good. This is working. Now this is something that will change everything. If it breaks down there, it will call for a break all the way there. Okay, we've got to be attentive to that. That will set up the stage for taking this not as a 1-2 but rather as an ABC. Right now I stay with the bulls based on the structure that I see in front of us here, and we have basically similar structure here in the gold bugs index, HUI daily scale. Again, shoulder, head, shoulder, very nice breakout, coming back to check the breakout point. Perfectly normal stuff. That is possible as a 1-2. That's 1-2. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3. We're in a fourth wave. Fine, came down to the 50% retracement of the third wave in mauve. Fine. Okay, well, we just have to go with a technical picture that says the bulls they still have a chance. They still have a chance, nice chance here to bring back the market to a higher ground. The bulls are in trouble should this one collapse back there. Okay, yes, they're in trouble because at that point this could become the target. Okay, and definitely I wouldn't recommend anyone go long if it breaks this line. Okay, here's the chart of spot gold. That's the 4-hour scale, and I have been telling you for the last several days it mustn't break. It mustn't break this level. We have two wave counts that could still work out, with this being 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, or we are going to go with the 1, 2, 3. It's not very clear, but what is clear, if it does break seriously under this level, I think the first target would be this 1920, and I won't be surprised if it's going to roll over back all the way down there. Yes, because the gates of the bearish movement will open wide as support will crumble if it breaks through that. Yeah, but right now the bulls are holding on. There is hope. There is hope that this is going to come back. This was quite a violent reversal. I wouldn't rush to buy right now. I would wait for further positive signals before you commit to a position here on the long side, and I definitely wouldn't sell it short, because I think that you don't have enough technical signals to jump in and sell short. And if it comes back, it's going to completely kill you, because if it comes back, can you imagine, this is going to be just one of the first targets, and beyond that it's going to take off like I don't know what. So forget about selling short. If you are not interested to buy long, or you are not comfortable, don't buy, don't do anything, but definitely don't go short. Go and find other opportunities. There are plenty of other opportunities. This is silver, spot silver 4-hour scale. That's 1, that's 2, that's not very likely 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that could be a 3, that could still be a 4. I'm saying not very likely because you can see the proportions. Yes, not very likely. There's not much else that I can do with it. What else can I do with a triangle so clear if not taking it as a 4th wave? And I do have a nice climb here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That could work. So what do we do? Well, breaking through that, we go there at the very least. Okay, this doesn't hold, well, it's obvious where it's going. It's going there. Yeah, and that's going to turn, instead of 1, 2, 3, it's going to turn into an ABC. Okay, and we will probably see a 5-wave run coming down, and later on, yes, another attempt to come back. I don't think that gold and silver are going to vanish. Central bankers are going out of their mind to buy as much as they can. They buy tons and tons of gold. There must be very good reason for that. My website, the homepage is right here. It's Wave Mastery, www.wavemastery.com. Yeah, wavemastery in one word.com. That takes you to the homepage. You can scroll down, look through some things that I've written here, some recommendations from past users and current users, and that is essentially the offer currently open only to first-time subscribers. Okay, so there is the daily service, daily videos that are preceded by a trial, so you can take the trial for 1 week, and at the end of that, if you're happy, you do nothing, you go on to the plan of half price. Essentially 79 presents half price of the normal price, and that will be good for 1 year. That means 12 payments of 79. If you want to watch just the weekend videos, then you go for this one, and it does give you access to the weekend videos, and I often also insert a video as a bonus midweek, just to keep you on track, to see a little bit, where things are moving, because sometimes 1 week of full price action is a lot, and the wave count can change, especially if you're a short-term trader. You really want to know what's happening. So that is essentially the situation. If you decide to go, for example, for the daily videos, you click here, it takes you to the page where it explains to you, you should read that, it explains to you what is covered, etc., etc. If you like what you read, you click here, subscribe. It takes you to PayPal, because my paying system is through PayPal, and you pay through PayPal. You can see you have the trial at $9.99. That's for the first 7 days. As I said, if you like what you see, do nothing. It just goes automatically. If you don't like, you can cancel. Or if you don't know how to cancel, or you have any doubt, you have any question, you can write to me, of course. Once you go through and you pay, you come back, PayPal will send you back to my website to fill in your profile details, choose your login, and once you do that, you will be led automatically to the page with the links to the various videos classified by date. If at any point in time in this process you have a problem, things are not going as I'm describing to you right now, all you have to do is just contact me and I'll help you out. That is essentially it. So you'll have 1 week to look at things. I would like to just spend a minute about the website itself. I have written here a few articles. Is this website for me? You can go through that one. Psychology and trading, trading and the arts, why join? Yes, each of these articles could perhaps help you to see how to relate to my website, but there is no substitute, in my opinion, to actually take a trial. You know, you take a trial, and I want to say another thing. You take a trial and you can't make up your mind. You want more time to think. Fine, I understand that. Then you cancel, but then you're not allowed to take another trial. Please, I want to be very clear about that. There are people who abuse this, and it's really not right. You're not allowed to take more than one trial, okay? A trial is a trial. But if you're interested, after you take a trial, you're interested to come back, you can still benefit from the low price for the next full year. But you have to write to me, and then I will send you a special link without a trial. And if you join, then you're going to go immediately onto the reduced price plan for 12 months. Okay? If you take another trial after you took already one, I am going to have to cancel that and refund you. And if you do that 2 or 3 times, I'm just going to blacklist you, because there are people who have been doing it, and I'm afraid this is really absolutely not right. This is subscribe here. Use subscription. Once you are logged in, you will see this one highlighting you daily service videos or weekend service videos. Yeah, it will show which one you really have the right to access. The daily service videos, to be very clear, they cover the weekend service videos. Okay, so you don't have to subscribe to both. The daily covers everything I do. The weekend, of course, is more selective. Now, I have here resources. There are chart galleries right here. Chart 1, 2, 3. There are plenty of charts here that give you an idea how I go about subdividing various market action here. There I covered a lot of markets, and you can see there is history here that could be very interesting for you to just go through. Let's see, platinum, for example. Yes, that's 1973 to 1978. If you click right on top where it shows you the hand, the chart opens up big. You can print it if you like. Here's an example of platinum, April 1980. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the huge correction that followed after that. So there is plenty for you, whichever market you're interested in, the financials, commodities, precious metals, etc. Okay, so that's chart galleries. Then useful links, as the name implies. Yes, recommended reading list. You have a long list of books here that I've read over the years that I found very interesting. Of course, I have many more books that I would like to add. It's just a question of time. I don't always have time to update this one. But the books that you find here did help me in the beginning, and still the information here is very valuable in these books. For example, Kroll. I don't know how many of you heard about Stanley Kroll. Stanley Kroll was a really imaginative fellow trader that wrote very well about his own trading and in trading in general. I learned a lot from these books. And of course, if you haven't heard about Reminiscence of a Stock Operator, you should get this book and read it. You will not regret. This is a book that most traders, I think, have come across and read. It is very interesting. And as you go down the list, you will see if there are things that are of interest to you. Of course, go ahead, get them. Some of them are even available online for free as a PDF. Check that. If you have questions about that, you can even contact me. Here's the contact us, and you put your name. Please make sure you give me the right email address. Message, simple maths, submit, I get it. You'll hear from me. I'm based in Belgium, so if you write to me from Australia or from the US and I'm having my rest, do not be surprised if I don't react quickly, okay? Normally within a day you will have a reply from me. I check my email fairly regularly. So that's about it. Hope to see you visiting my website. Hope to see you taking a trial. If you have any questions, again, don't hesitate. Get in touch with me, and wishing you a great trading week. Bye now.